Hi there. If you're planning a trip abroad and you bank with Lloyds, you might be wondering about a really important question. Do I need to tell them I'm going away? It's a common concern, and the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. Getting this right can save you a lot of hassle while you're trying to enjoy your holiday. So let's break it down. For years, the standard advice was always to inform your bank before you travel. This was a crucial step to prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity and then blocked, leaving you stranded without access to your funds. The reason for this was simple. Banks' fraud detection systems would see transactions popping up in a completely different country and assume your card had been stolen. They'd freeze it to protect your account. But things have changed. With improvements in technology and security, bank systems are much more sophisticated now. Many banks, including Lloyds, have automated systems that can analyze a wider range of data points. They can often tell the difference between a fraudulent transaction and a legitimate one made by you while on holiday. They look at your usual spending habits, where you've been using your card previously, and other patterns to make a judgment call. So, for most standard holiday trips, Lloyds Bank themselves state that you generally don't need to inform them. Their fraud detection systems are designed to recognize your legitimate spending patterns, even if they're in a new country. This is great news because it's one less thing to worry about when you're packing your bags. However, there are a few scenarios where it's a really good idea to give them a heads up. If you're going on a longer trip, say for a few months, or if you're traveling to a country that's known for higher fraud risk, a quick call or message through their app can provide an extra layer of security. This is also a good idea if you plan to make an unusually large purchase, like a car or property abroad. Informing them beforehand ensures your transaction goes through smoothly without any delays or security holds. So, my advice? While it's not strictly necessary for most trips, if you have any doubts, or if your travel plans are a bit unusual, it's always better to be safe than sorry. A quick, proactive call can save you a potential headache down the line. To do this, you can contact Lloyds through their app, through telephone banking, or by visiting a branch. Just have your account details ready. And remember, always have a backup payment method, like a second card or some cash, just in case. Enjoy your trip.